Hello, everyone. I'm here in Lakeland, Florida for the Central Florida Region Autocross meeting. It's my first parking lot autocross, so I'm very excited. But I also have some goodies that I'm going to use in the car for this race. I want to share them with you. Number one is the Apex Pro data acquisition system. As I mentioned in my blog, there's a lot of advantages to this system, and I'm gonna if you go to the blog, you'll find it. But it's very easy. Here's how it looks. This is the unit. It has some LEDs. They'll light up depending on how you go. It sticks to the dashboard. I'll install it in a second. I'll share some pictures about how it looks. Number two is the OBD2 dongle for this Apex Pro. And here is the OBD. You just plug it into the car. That way you can get data from like RPM and throttle position and brake sensor, and there's some things that you can get that are going to make your data acquisition process more easy and more streamlined and useful. Number three, right here, is the cell phone mount. Uh, it's a really neat cell phone mount, really stiff, hard to open too. It's really stiff. It's got this suction cup that is rated for very high Gs. I am not going to use it though because I'm going to attach my camera right here behind my seat so I can see my steering wheel. But it has this little thing that holds the phone very tightly, and it has a thread underneath that'll work on the normal like tripod thread for a camera. And to complement this, I got this little thing off of Amazon. It's it's just a headrest mount, so you can mount your camera to the headrest. Very easy, and it mounts perfectly to the cell phone mount. So the idea is to have the cell phone right here, so I can see my hands. And yeah, look forward to a good day at Autocross. Since it's my first parking lot Autocross, I just hope I don't get lost, and I'm planning to enjoy it a lot. We'll share some more as we go.